In today's video, I will show you how to know if your contacts are on Instagram. After you open up your Instagram app like this now, tap on this as can see now profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now go to this as can see now menu at the top right side. After you open menu, now tap on this account center. After you open this account center, scroll to down. Go to this your information and permission. After you open this, now tap on this upload contacts. So now select Instagram. In this session, all you have to do now, make sure you turn on this option as can see now. If you turn on this option now, Instagram will connect you with all your contacts that are using Instagram. So now after you turn on this option, go back to your home. Go back to home. So after you come to this home, all you have to do now, refresh your Instagram page. After you refresh your page, now tap on this as can see now. Tap on this following button. After you come to this following, now scroll to down. Scroll to down. So as can see now, if you scroll to down as can see now, Instagram says suggested for you. So as can see now, all these people that now Instagram will suggest for you, they will be your Instagram contact, or they will be your from your contact. So tap on this see all. As can see now, it says discover people. So as can see now, under this discover people, all these people are from my contacts. As can see now, all these people are from my contact. Now I can be able to go and follow them and connect with them on Instagram. That's it guys on how to know if your contacts are on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.